Hey guys, today we're going to be taking apart my Nintendo Switch. I already unscrewed everything since it would have taken a long time. So here's the first area. Then you have like this controller charger. This is what you can charge your controllers for this. That's why you when you're just playing the little tablet, they stay charged. Then afterwards you take this off. And then, then you get this. All of the inside, I think there's something behind this one part though. So I'm gonna grab the kits and I guess I'll unscrew it. Oh, this is hard to screw this one. Am I even using the right screwdriver? No, I'm not. That's a 4. This is hard. Cannot get that screw off, but whatever. So here it is. So yeah, we have every single piece. My Switch is a little bit dusty. But yeah, here's the inside of a Nintendo Switch. So be careful guys, or else you might get the blue screen of death too. So if you have a Nintendo Switch, all I'm saying is take really good care of it.